Hey guys, thank you so much for the idea, for your comments and for subscribing. And if you want to support this channel, please subscribe it and leave me a comment. I will show you today different kinds of radiofrequency machine that you can have, and after that I will do a video about how to use it. We start with the first one. Okay, this first one is a monopolar radiofrequency machine. We turn it on here and we can measure how hot we want it. It comes with a lot of tools. I use these three ones. With this, I put it there, I turn it on and I start to do the usual movements. I will show you how I do this. You can also have this another attachment, this one. And with this, you can go here in this area, in your neck, and you can also use it on your body. It's great for your body. And this little one is for small areas, for example, eyes, some lines, and you can use this machine every week and it's totally safe. So let's go with bipolar or bipolar radiofrequency machine. Well, this one is a bipolar radiofrequency machine. It comes with two different tools. This is for our body. It's bigger than this another attachment. It's small and it's for our face. It's bipolar. It has two poles and energy comes from here to there, so it's safe to use it. You can use it every 2 weeks and you can measure here how hot do you want the machine goes. And, well, let's see the other ones. This one is a 3-polar radiofrequency machine. It comes with 3 different tools. I use it for my body, that's why I have only 2 tools there, but it has a little attachment to use it on your face. I prefer another machine that I'm going to show you for my face. It's more comfortable to use it for me. And for your body, you use this tool. Energy goes from here to here, from here to here, and it makes 3 different arcs. And it also comes with this bigger and very heavy tool. It's for your face and body, but to use it for my face is so heavy and I have to go so quickly that I can't manage. It will be better if I have a person who works on me with this tool, but it is really heavy. When I do it on my body, I can use it, but I prefer this tool for my body. And let's go with my favorite. Well, this is my favorite. I use it because it's multipolar. For my body, it's great. It comes with this attachment. The energy goes from here to here to here. It makes different arcs and it tightens your skin so fast that I really love this one. And for my face, it has this attachment. Energy goes like the other machines, from here to here, here to there. But I love it because I can measure here how hot I want the machine goes. So if I want a 40 Celsius degrees, I put in the program 40 degrees and it goes at this hot. If I want it at 38 or less than that, I can program this to go at this temperature and that's my favorite. It's comfortable to use. I think it's better for my face, but for a full treatment on my body, I use this one and I also use that one. It's heavy, but it really works. So, well, that's my machines and I want to share with you. Oh, and this one you can use it every 3 weeks. And well, thank you so much for being there and for subscribing. And if you are not, please do it to support the channel and to make me happy. Thank you guys. I really love you.